Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to discuss about the runtime error and how we can handle runtime error in Python. So a runtime error in Python occurs when a statement or function encounters an unexpected issue during execution, which is not covered by any specific built-in exception. It's a broad category of error that can occur due to various reasons such as invalid operation, recursion depth exceeded, or unexpected condition at runtime. For example, if a recursive function runs into an unexpected case that it does not handle properly, or if a function encountered unexpected input that it cannot process, then in that case Python will raise a runtime error. So let's create an example demonstrating how we can handle the runtime error. So if I declare a function, let's say recursive function, and this I'm taking a value, and then I'm saying return n plus this recursive function n minus 1. Okay, now if I basically give a result variable in which I am going to get the result from this recursive function, and if I put the value 5, let's run it and see what's happened. So if I run it, you can see that we are getting recursion error, maximum recursion depth exceeded, right? So in order to basically handle these runtime error, we have to use the exception handling. So in order to handle this error, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to define this function, and I'm going to add a couple of things saying that if n is less than equal to 0, then you have to raise, forcefully you have to raise the runtime error, saying that invalid input and must be positive. Okay, now I'm going to add a else statement over here, and in this else statement I am going to return this expression. Now I'm going to put everything in the try block. So I'm going to say try, basically try to get this recursive function in this result, and then print the result. Result is result, and if there is an error, then I would expect to get it caught, right? So I'm going to add except runtime error as e, and then I'm going to print, hey user, we have run we have a runtime error, and I'm going to give the error details. Okay, so now let's run this. So we are getting this, hey user, we have a runtime error, invalid input and must be positive. So in this code, a recursive function attempts to calculate the sum of numbers from n to 1. If n is non-positive, less than or equal to 0, a runtime error is raised with a descriptive error message. The except block catches this error and prints a message indicating the specific runtime issue that occurred. This approach allows the program to handle the unexpected runtime conditions effectively and provide appropriate feedback or corrective actions. Now over here, even though we are giving the positive number, we are getting this runtime error, right? Let's think about it, that where we are doing the mistake. So we have forcefully raised this error. Instead of this, if I basically put return 0, and if I run it over here, you can see that we are getting the result. Okay, so what should happen over here is that if I put -1, okay, then we should get this runtime error. So let me run this again. We are getting 0. If this is less than 0, we had given return 0. So instead of this return 0, we have to have this raise runtime error. So now if I run this, I'm getting this. Happy learning and see you in the next video.